Hey everyone! Today we're checking out the Dreame X40 Ultra Robotic Vacuum, a high-tech powerhouse that takes home cleaning to the next level. This vacuum packs tons of smart features, so let's dive into what makes it stand out. First off, this robot has an impressive 12,000 PA suction power, which is one of the strongest out there for robotic vacuums. It picks up everything: dust, dirt, pet hair, and even larger debris from both carpets and hard floors with ease. If you have pets or a busy household, this feature is a game changer. Now, let's talk about mopping. The removable and liftable mop is a great feature because the mop automatically lifts when it detects carpet, so you don't have to worry about soaking your rugs. Plus, it heats up to 158 degrees, giving you a super hygienic clean that tackles stubborn stains with ease. What's even cooler, the mop has a self-cleaning system. It scrubs itself on a washboard so you don't have to clean it manually every time, saving you tons of time. If you hate emptying the dustbin or refilling the water tank, the Dreame X40 has you covered. It has an auto-emptying function for the dustbin and auto-refills the water tank, meaning it can mop and vacuum for longer without needing your intervention. It's about as hands-off as it gets. With liftable brushes and a side brush that extends into corners and edges, this vacuum makes sure it cleans every nook and cranny. The brushes adjust automatically depending on the floor type, which ensures that you get a deep, thorough clean no matter where it's working. The Dreame X40 Ultra Robotic Vacuum is a smart, high-powered cleaning machine that handles both vacuuming and mopping seamlessly. It's perfect for anyone looking to automate most of their cleaning routine while still getting a deep, thorough clean. If you're ready for a top-tier robotic vacuum, this one's definitely worth the investment. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the Dreame X40 Ultra.